folk, in the first place, shouldn't find themselves at this particular moment.
But Zuba,
yes,
whether we like it or yes, they found themselves there.
No,
so what's the way forward?
So we shouldn't celebrate so Okotiaka or the no, not even a single moment, not at all, Kofi. Say a big club, they say, almost free say, do not free say, the Continental Club Masters, and this are not at this moment. Ultimate dika, Emma a season. Second round, I'll be here players argument to squad in Kofi went to me and your players because of Sabanwe. And again, what's not science? Meanwhile, Kofi, I didn't the one more tiny betting your pay, you are going to pay the money. But Kofi, what's now a bedroom moment way? Also, Kotueska or car, dear, nay, avoid a bono. You're more basso.
And no cry subject to Thursday.
What I say? Bibian guarantee say no crampo say Thursday no.
Oh, your head say.
Me say Bibian guarantee na dey say we bet makoy transaction enko true.
And then say you be who the bankers not responsible.
That's not the point. The point is at the end of the day enko true. Ade kwa me say wutimi koye transaction wutimi ko deposit siska to account you but another send them will be by reflecting the same day.
It be an internal system error.
That's not the point. The point is it is possible and it say possible.
Oh sure, possible.
Good. So you cannot I mean depend on say me kwa koye transaction Thursday intino me wie no until say be go through amani pa kwa ko tia ne kan nsa kan ade no. That is where obetima I mean bold enough to say so clear. But my point is enya dia wo say my ni gena ye bo asofo kwaba so say omukọ class aka we because kwame eya dia na oso mo ye eya dia they should know better and you can say in the first place kwame ombedru moment we mpo na akokasa afi ko ties kantie mo nje omo so how on earth and a big club like a class of folk omo ye free say omo ye big club e betima find omo self in this particular situation how? And the sad thing is that Kwame, omo ya club Kwame, I am mistake from mistake for a very longer time. Kwame, they cannot correct errors. No, every season, Kwame, you will still get a crowd of folk making mistakes. Kwame, no bet my avoid it. So why are they? I mean, if you feel too big, if you feel say we a big club, I mean, then do the needful. Yadia excess we indeed we a big club. Because every season you can't continue to have issues. Every blessed season, the beer has to focus news in him. I mean, this and this season, of course, we say has to focus. Yeah, can't wait pan or more moment me and your sinus. I was second round. Kwame, now has to focus with my competing league. Now ye. Now bet my competing league. No, I'm not ye. Empono crown head one with me. By the end of the day, your ball league ni empono. Coach, I watch my year as sacrificing. Etimia kwa koding. Editing the third. Kwame, you still feel saying the coach Nimo anyadie. Meanwhile, you did a very big mistake. One you want to make and a team na bedu stand personal. But you are putting blame on the coach. Say coach ni performance on enye. And I said the would just the pamu coach. Kwame, who watches the watchman? Oh, now official coach na anyadie. Kwame, meanwhile 90% of problems no every mo never. Muna moye mistakes no, but you see nothing wrong with una because you think that and you una run a club no, muna club no shamo santine mumu decision number taking a final. Kwame meanwhile you've taken decisions that Kwame very 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 poor. Coach club no till now. And tinedi na beka would be ho at this moment as a big club. Probumana Kwame, House of Folk deserve more than that. It is a any news. And again, ya fina mobile ya twam. It new news view and as a new thing beyond from Obia. The Kwamesre, way Omun deserve basobody, they should go and pay the money, they should go and clear themselves. Omunko clear the any free on when ya basobody because they are supposed to do that. So they can't continue to sit down at the piano. Ya kwa besina fi ya house of folk they go they be omunko chewe yo ombetu say adai adi benko. Kwame, leadership of Accra House of Folk, they are lacking a lot. How are you managing football club? I think at this moment they are lacking too much. And many Kwame and him running court Dano system necessary sound. Yes. Sunday was say Kwame, and yeah, my Max Okonedu so.
Hey.
Look, yeah. Kwame, Max Okonedu said the air canon. It's a system, no. So, when you beat in Kwame, on catching it fast.
On catching system, fast.
Yes, because we should dear Kwame. How our system is for a corner. Kwame, emu ya action. Omu ya catchy. I'm a system nako. And this omudina omudidi hunu sesi an Kwame. It doesn't mean that perform you. Kwame ne Maxo Okonedu ye nim numre bi atwam no. So what ni gyan won ne ya Kwame. I'm telling you say the performance was from papa. Maxo Okonedu, oh yes, Maxo Okonedu ye nim no. Dada no Kwame nya ni ne o. System na sesa emna e ko Kwame, they should adapt. They should also change how nyoma. Yawahana obekache say, ene under 20 way, my word prepared. My enough preparation. And again, you are ready to compete. After course, meboa. Wafu ne course, meboa. And you want to bekaye. Nene wakona anyeye, wakona wantimi anko yade, wantimi anko perform ya. Kwame, you are back telling us saying they want to international, friendly game biamo. As I mean, over catch ye. And I ain't ever call a number catcher and say, no, Max or catcher, Ghana for say, nay, when you're enough preparation and they team are ready to compete. You said it 1 hour. So when you're enough preparation, when you're enough time to prepare the team, and again, why you're ready. Now, ko na anye ya wa back be catch say when tie anya international friendly game bia mo so yenye dey so what yenye dey Opemsuo yenye dey Kwame mo performance ninge squad list selection or how you even select squad ni pokwan Kwame anya the best Ente wa kwaba instead say obebie no maso ne ehu ne ewu no ozo o hwede ozo o kasa o hwede onso o hwede because o kan bibi kukro say kim eno an wa wie ye banyina sinchen meanwhile Max Okonedu within you know say enoma e course no enye ni nyina na ye ope selections are course players are free omo ekosi mu a omo boge mu yu so Kwame wo ya wa say in within you ya wa say enye ni nyina na ye ope be ne suro ehunti no obia muntimi kan okre muntimi ne oba obeka che say ene wantimi anya international friendly game bia mo and I go say catch say oka se ba ku bi oka so say me refi no oka say ye taking no personal oka che yo see e fa no personal yeah fa no personal
say we na wo kan there.
Well, that is their opinion. You see, this job, without pressure, football won't be football. Football will not be where it is today. So the pressure is what makes football what it is today. So when you want to talk about pressure, yes, football must always generate this pressure, especially today that social media is very, very powerful and so common. Any small thing is out there. So we are used to it. The only thing is that some of you guys take things personal. You go and, talk about, trying to defame, not me alone, but other coaches. That one is not acceptable, but it's part of the job. There's nothing we can do about it. This is a profession we are.
say what say your fan no ma personal entino kwame enemi amti hey say wo Max Okoredu akwame wo coach sesia no wo no me town agede wo no me fan no ma personal in terms of what just to get what minimum entino me ye fa personal no ma personal in what context say the defame why kwame you people are not doing the right thing there. You people, you are not doing, I mean, and no man game you are not doing it there. You can't see a fun of one person at the femo, then come in. They should stop those stuff. They should stop that. Because I hear that some yen your money or honoma kwame. And send you honoma crampa and can it be on say even Coach Carlos at the call what cup kwame. Me personally on your coach managing won't send your money to us. But I'm not for confidence and I'm not for any mujidi because okoye no kakra na okoye ni pochire say nei ye for mano me boa etino ni parudo na nkasa ye interest as ye fa e mano because sports minister aka anantisa sure entidi dey be my omagina so say omo di dwuma de ni koma no eye because the okokoye the team no obe fa ye no na e wo hono no kware eno okoye no waye bibi approval champion for say e bia ya manita wo betimi e de IBB enti kwame Max Okoredu ane wo be fa under 20 kwame yenya nim sa under 20 on performance na nya performance papa enti ene se wo so be fa na kwame performance anya performance papa na nya performance e kon kan no o so be fa na wontimi mfa nya bibia you expect us to keep quiet and shield what kwame wafu zombie
Next AFCON any hosty.
What I say, ultimate more waffle zombie. Ultimate more. Yeah, can say, Obi fan of my personal try to defame one. You be in defame Coach Maxwell. You people are not doing a lot for us. So we will still keep you on your toes to work hard and get results for us. That is the most important thing. Because Ghana for nature and it's our cocktail team. Then say one person a man for a fat taste personal I criticize I can't also mon control their kwame any one two team na kobo game and ko ya no san ko enti obi ka no how be no but say your money dem kwa dia kwame we won't keep quiet when any man ko ye ha o ti mo wafu zombie na ye host no afọ na ubetima bo wafu zombie untimi mo efe foro mo nya no maye no kanokro ne chomo se ne nyoma na mo ye ho no emo mo ye gam tumpon emo ama mo mo kasa mo coaches no mo dwumadie na mo di no ebe kwankan mo kanokro ne chomo na ho nya se so mo bo churo se ebe je adwuma frum sem tumba na mo be shode nyoma asema o kan kwame that anywhere fa ani hwa he fa pa anywhere de bia kwame me busa den busa me say ye coaches are omo top notch omo I mean world experience wo kromo ya bia kwame ye the junior teams ne ye the amom na obi ani ho no makomo timi ye me boa top coaches omo ha bobo bi di ma metie obi anya bi obi antimi anye me boa ka temsem boa under 17 under 20 under 23 ye top coaches kwame omo nyina besenko obi abefem obi antimi anye
anu ya na ye wan yi ogum kwale sena under 17 ko anye samobodu nso
ebe 15 anye ye meboa when you bubo mu nyadi top coach bubo mu nyadi
kasimo ngo nso fa
that say omu nyina be from kokwame wo de bubo bi adin kwame mo coach na mo ye no mo performance na nye aye Ghana hapera mo di mu de ho Ghana hapera ala mo di mu de ho si e ko outside Ghana mo ko share other countries coaches ni bia no mo ko mo say mo from mu free Ghana ha kwame eko na mo ko share other opponent na mo like I expose mo kwame they should start upgrading themselves because eye dina no mo di mu keke coach ni de ga me ni Ukraine ye Ghanaian coaches no mo an kwame eno ma na ko jo mo
so ko wini afcon zito ko wini afcon de free ban em zito
be
zito Na uza zito bedi asem na okay. Can we zito asem na making?
That way, yeah, that way.
I think or we need wafu near yini na. Every
has to folk cry ko say. Say free ban oko. Oko.
I 2019 na. 2019 was a 20 my check it mo.
Obre. Obre. But catch yourself, say every for kwame. O try so be shield o man na o be cover o kwame. Dey be every better pa so na air condition. I so try me sweaty. So kwame
2021
you shouldn't worship them because enyoma on be ya boa Ghana football kwame they are not doing it. And your coaches no
we need in 2021.
Correct. Your coaches no should upgrade themselves kwame. Omo kika omo ho because omo performance kwame e form your top no coaches omo krom e bia kwame e gi omo di bia kwame omo nyina be form they can't perform and say bibi o hono ma e coach omo kwame they should come and they should voice and they should tell us
and e be di
so that is why omo no omo nya de no
Zuba and there's a bad day
I can tell you say and omo performance of form because ade o na kwame e coach ya na ntimi mboa ma o performance and I said nya obetima ye no obetima ya boa ya kwame na so wontimi nka it means that at the end of the day o performance na form because we don't know what is hunting you, we don't know what exactly going on there until kwame e si ma mo performance ntimi nkonkan and this bibi o na se mo miehu na se ne mo koba na ne man koya kwame it means that mo performance wo form and mo ko bia so na mother coaches am ko share kwame o mo de nyoma nkakra bi na beat mo they always expose you until my local champions.
Mate.
Ah? They should up themselves. Omo game no. Perform kwame or form. Or for your players and your coaches ni na kwame. Performance ni or form.
Ghana football na wo form na.
Be dey send your maka no. Na say omo mu dey mu no curtain Crawford. Omo nyina omo performance no kwame e wo form na transfer coaches ni players ni so.
That's it.